31 Papa Tango 088. 31 Papa Tango 088. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, North America, calling CQ.
2 Alpha Whiskey 014, very good afternoon, sir, in Tennessee, United States. You are loud and clear over here, my friend, loud and clear. 10 dBs over 9, 10 dBs over 9. It's your signal report. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 31 Papa Tango Zulu 88 on this side. 31 Papa Tango Zulu 88. And the operator name is Pedro. Pedro like Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. I repeat, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. Is that a QSL, my friend?
QSL 100%, Pedro, very good signal in the state of Tennessee. You are 5x10, 5x15, very strong. Top of the evening to you. You're very strong in the state of Tennessee. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November, located in the state of Tennessee, about 20 miles north of Nashville, Music City. Pedro, Ken, back to you, sir.
Okay, 014, my friend Ken. Double eight returning. Okay, all copy over here. Very strong signal coming from Tennessee to Portugal. 5-9, picking the 10 dBs over 9 sometimes. So very good conditions today between Portugal and the United States. A lot of stations coming very strong from that part of the world. Okay, my friend Ken, location over here is about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, facing the Atlantic coast over here. Okay, for the working conditions, I'm using the Kenwood transceiver, which is the Tango Sierra 850, along with the DSP 100 units. I'm transmitting with a HAL microphone, the Papa Radio 781, and I'm putting about 100 whiskey, the power I get from the radio, into 5 elements, the Aggie beam pointing towards North America at the moment. 014 listening over.
QSL, Pedro, very good working conditions. Your audio is very good. Good radio and microphone working 100%. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson export radio, pushing about 50 whiskeys, 50 whiskeys, working a Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. I usually have an amplifier, but it broke about 2 days ago. I was working a lot more whiskeys, but at the moment, just the radio, working 50 whiskeys on the radio, Pedro. Ken, back to you, QSL.
QSL, my friend, 014 returning. Okay, I'll copy over here. No problems whatsoever to get the full copy on your transmission, my friend. The 50 whiskeys are making a very good job for you. Very nice trip between Tennessee and Portugal. No problems whatsoever, my friend Ken. Okay, WX information for you. At the moment we have a very overcast sky. It's raining a little bit over here. The temperature is quite pleasant, 22 degrees offside, 22 degrees Celsius outside. So we have a beautiful day to stay at home, to stay on the track and make radio contacts all over the world with my friends, okay? It's a good day to stay on the radio. It's very overcast out there, but it's quite normal on this time of the year. We are on the full over here in Portugal State. Quite normal to have such kind of days on this time. Okay, my friend Ken, very nice to meet you, okay, and I'm looking forward to meet you again on frequency with such conditions. Very good conditions today, propagation wide open between Portugal and the United States. And let me give you the 7351 for you and for your family. The best regards and greetings from Portugal. Hoping to get you very soon on frequency. All the best regards, and have a good day, good weekend, or the rest of the weekend, and happy DX for you, my friend, happy DX for you. 2 Alpha Whiskey 01431 Papa Tango Zulu 88, saying bye-bye for now.
Okay, Pedro, 100%. Very good. Your beam and your radio and propagation. You're 100% copied here in the state of Tennessee. Very good, making contact into your country. I logged you down in my logbook. I'll be listening for you. I'll send all the good numbers from my country to your country. Thank you for answering my call, and we hope we can do it again in the near future. All the good numbers to you, and good luck on your DX, and your radio is really, really strong. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, state of Tennessee, USA, North America. We thank you, Peter.
Okay, bye-bye, Ken. God bless you. QRZ 11, the QSA, please come again.